Hey friends, today we're going to draw a zombie coming out of the ground.
Yeah, for Halloween.
Yeah, this one was super fun.
Yeah, for this lesson, we're using a pencil and an eraser first, but just to draw one main shape for the head and then also the curves for the body.
Yeah, then we're using our markers after.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Let's do it.
We're gonna use our pencil to first draw the main shapes of our zombie coming out of the ground.
Okay.
We're gonna draw a circle for the head. I'm gonna draw it kind of big. And mine's more of a circle, and actually I think I wanna do more of an oval shape. So I'm gonna redraw it. That's the nice thing about using our pencils. We can work on getting the shape just the way we want it before we move on to the next step. And if you have extra lines, you can just switch to your eraser and erase anything you don't want to keep.
Yeah.
Now let's draw our zombie's body, and we're gonna draw it curving so it looks like he's crawling, like gonna lunge out of the grave, the ground.
Creepy.
Yeah, really creepy. So we got these two curved lines for his body. Then we could draw the ground, and let's draw a bunch of bumpy lines for the dirt that he's coming out of. You could draw some of them big and some small. And I'm gonna draw a little further over, yeah. And that's it. We're gonna switch to our marker, but our friends, you guys can keep using your pencil if you want. And you could draw all of the lines before you switch to your marker.
Yeah.
Or just use a pencil.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works too. Okay, let's add the details. First, let's draw our zombie's face. I'm gonna draw a little upside down letter V. And then we're gonna draw an oval for the mouth. And then let's draw one gross tooth inside. Maybe it's a baby zombie. And then a tongue. Or just all his teeth fell out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, now our friends could add other details too. You don't have to draw exactly like us. You could change your zombie. We're gonna draw the eyes next. Draw two big circles the same size. Oh, I guess you could change. One of them could be bigger than the other. Oh, I like yours. They're smaller and they're up higher. They're awesome. Those are really cool. Then let's draw pupils inside. I'm gonna draw my zombie cross-eyed. And then let's add the brain. We're gonna draw a bite taken out of his head, the gross part. Yeah, we got a bunch of views connected together. And let's draw the brain inside. I'm gonna draw a cloud line going this way. Yes, and then let's draw the rest of the head. So we're not gonna draw through the brain. We're gonna just trace over the pencil going this way and come all the way over and then stop on this side. I love yours.
Thanks.
Then let's draw the ears. I'm gonna draw a letter C and a backwards C.
Its eyes are so small.
Yeah, that's my favorite part. And then we could draw a little line inside of the ears. And we could also draw gross, like three hairs sticking out. Okay, now we can move on and let's draw his arms next. And we're gonna draw a arm coming this way and over the dirt. So we got this big curve coming through. Let's draw a short sleeve t-shirt. I'm gonna draw a line this way and up into the armpit.
So he's like pulling himself out of the grave?
Yeah, he's like pushing on the ground with this arm. Then we're gonna draw the other side of the arm. We're gonna draw it curving down out of the sleeve. And then we can draw the thumb first, so a sideways U. And then we could draw more letter U's. I'm drawing them curved. And we're gonna draw 3 and connect to the wrist. They look like hot dogs.
Yeah, they can do.
Perfect. Okay, now let's draw the ground, and we won't draw the ground through the arm. So let's trace over the pencil that we already drew, but stop at the arm. And then we'll keep going on the other side of the arm to make it 3D. The arm is in front of the dirt. Yes. Okay, now let's draw his body, and we'll leave a little space under his chin. And then we can draw his neck, or the bottom of the neckline on his t-shirt. And then we're gonna draw the other arm reaching out to the side. He's gonna get somebody. And then let's draw his fingers. We're gonna draw a thumb here first. So the letter U, it kind of looks weird, but I'll show you. Then we're gonna draw the finger coming out and then curving. We wanna make these look like he's making a claw. Yeah, he's grabbing something like this. So there's another one. And then we're gonna draw one more and we're gonna draw it further down. And then let's jump over here. We're gonna add the t-shirt line, or the short sleeve t-shirt. We're gonna draw a line down and then into the armpit. And then right here, if your thumb is hanging down further, so you could just start right here and then draw it going into his arm. I'm gonna add a little bump and then into his arm. Yes, doesn't that look awesome?
Yeah.
He's reaching for something. This is really scary if I saw this in the graveyard.
Oh yeah. It'd be really scary.
I'd run.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna draw the tombstone. And we're gonna draw a big upside down letter U, but part of it is behind him. So we're gonna draw it coming up like this, around, and then down. Yes, and then let's make it 3D. We're gonna start up here at the top and we'll make it really skinny and then get thicker and then straight down. Then we could add a little more dirt on the side over here. And then let's draw a little more dirt coming out of his armpit over here. So it looks balanced on the same side. And we did it. We finished drawing our zombie coming out of the ground.
Yeah.
Except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, and we could add more things too.
Oh, yes.
But this part we'll fast forward because we want to challenge you to color your drawings differently and add other things. But before you color it, do one last thing. Switch to your eraser one more time and erase all of the pencil lines or the guidelines you can still see. Austin, we did it! We finished coloring our zombies and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did. I like yours.
Oh, thanks. I really like yours.
Thank you.
Especially those little eyes.
Yeah.
We also added extra things like bats and then cracks in the headstone.
Yeah, I also really like that we used pencil at the beginning.
Oh yeah, me too, to draw the main shapes. That way we could draw the brain really looking like it's sticking out of the head.
Yeah.
That's gross.
It is gross.
Also, we added stitches, but you can add whatever you want and you can color your drawings differently.
Yeah, you could also use different supplies.
Oh yeah, you don't have to use markers. You could use crayons or even
Colored pencils.
Yeah, colored pencils.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a zombie coming out of the ground.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.